Hi. For those of you I have not yet had the pleasure of meeting, I am Dawn Klatzko, and I have the privilege of being the facilitator for the strategic workshop that we will be holding on the 30th and 31st of August in Johannesburg. Besides introducing myself, I wanted to give you the absolute assurance that this extremely valuable time will be well spent. From my side, I'd like to explain that my role will not be simply that of a note taker. I will be your scribe, but my main purpose is to be the catalyst for some truly dynamic engagement. I spent the first 3 decades of my career as an ad woman. Fortunately, a successful one, having built up my own advertising agency and film production company over 20 years, which I sold. This gave me the opening for my second career, that of a business and executive coach. Although, frankly, I prefer to refer to myself as the brand builder coach. As part of this new journey, I had the opportunity to fill the position of interim MD of Power FM, which gave me excellent insight to the other side of the media fence. I have a long list of coaching qualifications as well as some specializations, such as high-performance team coaching, the entrepreneurial mindset instrument, mind dynamics, resilience at work, and many, many others. I'm going to bring all of this knowledge and insight into the workshop, and will share whatever you need to help you design the future and create greater success, both for you personally and commercially. All I ask of each and every one of you is that you come in with an open mind, that you trust the process and be ready to share your ideas and energy equally with us all. This is not going to be 2 days of blah, blah, blah. It's going to be interactive with a singular goal. The goal that you leave with a sketched out blueprint for the future. I'm certainly very excited about what we are going to design. So thank you for taking the time to watch my introduction, and I look forward to the end of August. Thank you.